Since 1947, one of the highlights of the Steveston Salmon Festival has been the famous salmon bake. Crowds gather as hundreds of fresh salmon are barbecued in open pit fires right in the heart of Steveston. In the festival's early years, the salmon was cooked by local First Nations bands. Today, various community group volunteers prepare wild sockeye salmon provided by Ken Fisco over a giant barbecue pit in front of the Steveston Martial Arts Center. We've reached out to several local chefs to share some of their favorite recipes so you can recreate some of the magic of Steveston Salmon Festival right from the comfort of your own home.
So my name is Abraham Zamorano. I'm a sous chef at Fairmont Vancouver Airport, and I'm from Mexico. So today we're cooking salmon with some ingredients from Mexico and local products from Vancouver to make a very simple and tasty dish. Cilantro Crusted Salmon with fingerling, potatoes, and chili guajillo. So if you guys are ready, let's start with the ingredients so we can start cooking and show you all the process in between.